Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at VEVOR's button maker machine. We're going to go ahead and open this up, show you guys everything you get. Oh, I'm already liking this kit versus other kits. A lot of kits don't even come with buttons. Oh, this is pretty cool. Look at all the buttons that they already come with. Oh my. So, this is so cool. That's awesome. You get all these buttons here. That's cool. Alright, so you got your little manual. Looks like we got an accessory box in here. Oh, what's this? This is pretty cool. Welcome to Panda's World. Huh. Interesting. Whoa, this is cool. Really cool. Nice. Okay, so it's in here. Okay, so this is the bracket plate. So it would go in like here, and you put your bolts down through here. You got your lever. That just simply threads right on. So this is actually your press machine. So just like that. So this goes over and says the different pieces, components to it. You know, what you would need and how you would place it on. It shows you guys the mold here. And this is how it's supposed to go on. So if you guys lose your manual, just pause the video, save this part. Alright, first we stick this piece up inside. So you should be able to just pop it straight up in and then it should hold. And then we have this piece. So you're going to have the two pieces like that sticking out over. This is going to slide down in like this. So if you have to lift this up, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, so it looks like we need to... Alright, so maybe we need to put this on first. We'll see. We might have to take this piece off. Oh, there we go. Alright, so like that. Have that right down in there for now. When placing the bolts down in, you want to line up both holes and just thread it in just a little bit and then use your tool to tighten it back up. Well, you can hand tighten it and then use your tool. Make sure you have it lined up even, straight, and just go ahead and use your tool to tighten it to we finally got it. So yeah, the directions were actually wrong. So the directions were showing us, at least the directions that we were sent were wrong. So we were messing it up, but now we finally got it. Yeah, so the secret is you take a flat piece like this, take your back. Okay, you place your flat piece with the edges facing down like this. Okay. Take your paper, whatever it is, if you have your cutout or whatever, and then take a clear film. Line it up. Once you have it lined up, punch it fairly quick. Down, up. Now, place this piece with this facing up. So we can show you guys. Have that facing up. And slide that down in there. Line it up. Get ready. And quick punch. And there we go. And it turns out fairly well. As you can see. So there we go. Just like that. Now, when you're doing this and you're going quick, don't have your finger like this. Don't have it like in there. So make sure your hand is on the back side. Recommend holding it like this and punching down like that. But yeah, it does work. You just have to play with it. But I hope this video helps you.